going to show you how you can pair or connect your Beats Solo Pro directly to your Hisense TV via Bluetooth. First thing is you want to go to the settings on your Hisense TV, so you can click on the home button on your remote. And then once you're on the home screen, top right hand side, you can see right over here the gear icon. Just move all the way over to the right. Gear icon settings, click on OK. Now go to the very bottom where it says remotes and accessories, right down there, click on OK. Now, as soon as we tap on, click on add accessories, it's going to start searching for Bluetooth devices. Okay, so first things, we got to go ahead and put this into pairing mode. Okay, so let me, first of all, you guys know how to turn these off. You just hold any one of these down and it's going to turn off automatically. Okay, either one of these go down. Anyway, it's off right now. And now let me go ahead and turn it back on. And then when it starts blinking white, you know it's in pairing mode. Okay, so now it's in pairing mode. If it's not in pairing mode, you can click and hold that button for a few seconds, or just close it and then reopen it and wait for it to be in pairing mode. So anyway, it's a white blinking light. So I know it's in pairing mode. Actually, it stopped blinking white because it's probably connected to another phone. Let me press and hold this button, and let me get this back to pairing mode. Okay, so it's pairing mode now. It's blinking. Now we got to go click on add accessory on the TV. Hurry up while this is still blinking. And oh, there it is, Solo Pro. Let me go down one, highlight that, click on OK. It's pairing right now. If you guys have issues pairing or connecting, you can factory reset these as well. Look in the link below. Now I get a Bluetooth pairing request. So let me go ahead and click on pair. It's already highlighted. And now it says pairing right there. And it should say connected. Oh, Bluetooth pairing request here. Let me click on pair. Okay, it says paired now. And then now it says Solo Pro, you see it's connected. So now I can go ahead and watch my Netflix or YouTube from my TV or whatnot. All right, good luck, guys.